Today I went and picked up a case of oxtails, and these oxtails are $7.50 per pound. So I just got a whole case. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be preparing my award-winning, yes I said it, award-winning oxtail. Right now they're thawing out, which they're almost done, and I'm going to take them out of there, get some vinegar and some salt and lime juice, wash them down, and I'm going to prepare. Before I do that, I'm going to prepare my seasoning on my ground provision that's going in it. So stay tuned. Today, I got a little blend from my garden. Okay, I have rosemary, sage, I have basil, I have thyme, and I also have oregano. So this will be chopped up. I done washed them in salt and vinegar, and this will be chopped up to go inside the oxtail. Okay, this is what's going in the oxtail. You got your onions, you got your carrots, you got your potatoes, and your herbs, plus the pimento seed. All your herbs is there. To get the full flavor of the pimento seed, I crushed them. After I crush the pimento seed, sprinkle it all over, so you know that flavor is going to be bursting. I'm going to give you one tip on making good jerk chicken, oxtail, any meat. The pimento seed, don't just throw them in there. Crush them. Get your blender or your food processor, crush them and sprinkle it. It brings out the full flavor of the pimento seed. That's just a little tip. Alright, this is what it looks like seasoned up. And remember, there's still stuff need to go in there with like the butter beans and stuff. So I'm gonna put it on right now. So stay tuned. And don't forget, this is the award-winning oxtail. This is the award-winning oxtail. When I say this thing is good, look at it. Some of it is starting to fall off the bone. But I don't want it to fall off the bone. I want you to eat it off the bone. That's how tender this is. Look at all that gravy. And I didn't add water to it. See all those herbs? Those herbs. Hold on. This is what gives my oxtail the flavor. Look at all the herbs in there. Look. Oh my God, I want to show you all the herbs. When I say the herbs, look. Catch you guys in the next video.